Good day to everyone. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 12 of sales training videos. Never give up. Perhaps two most fundamental qualities for success in sales are boldness and persistence. It takes courage to get up each day and constantly face the fear of failure and rejection. It takes persistence to keep coming back day after day in spite of continued difficulties and disappointment. The average is 5 calls per day. A full 80% of sales are never closed before the fifth meeting or closing attempt. It is after the fifth time that you ask the prospect to make a buying decision that you make most of your sales. Keep visiting. This does not mean that you have to spend 5 hours with each time. It just means that you have to make 5 visits or more. You have to make an appointment, go and see the prospect, talk to him, tell him that you and your company are available to serve him. It is usually after the fifth visit that the prospect starts to become interested. The art of closure. The salesperson meets with the prospect, talks enthusiastically about his product or service, shows him the written information, and dazzles with him reasons to buy. Then, when the prospect has been completely overwhelmed with his charm, enthusiasm, and verbal agility, he takes a deep breath, sits back, and says, "Well, what do you think?" This almost automatically triggers the response, "Well, I would like to think it over." The prospect will forget you. One of the important secrets of success in sales is you to understand and accept that people don't think it over. The minute you walk out of the prospect's office or home, he or she forgets that you ever lived. This is the end of part 12 of this series of sales trainings. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos in this area. I also offer one-on-one training so that I can understand your shortcomings and correct them so you become more efficient than before with my one-on-one training. Thank you for listening. Good day to you.